Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The Redmi Note 14 just launched yesterday, and the Redmi Note 13 was last year's standard model. Today, I'll compare the Redmi Note 14 and Redmi Note 13 for you all. Hey everyone, this is Mikey from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more awesome tech videos. Despite their price difference, both phones come with nearly identical accessories, including black protective cases. For a more polished look, I opted for white cases, which enhance the overall aesthetics of both devices. Redmi Note 13 features a simple, stylish design with a white finish reminiscent of the patterns seen in the K series. Its clean and modern look appeals to minimalists. The Redmi Note 14, on the other hand, sports a gradient white finish with an elegant touch, though its design leans towards a more traditional aesthetic. Both phones use glossy plastic for their back panels. While this material isn't as premium as glass or metal, it ensures the devices remain lightweight and comfortable to hold. The Redmi Note 13 has a more straightforward grip, whereas the Redmi Note 14's slightly curved back provides a smoother feel in hand. Both devices include features often omitted in budget-friendly phones: a 3.5mm headphone jack, dual SIM, and expandable storage card slots. Additionally, these slots are equipped with rubber linings for enhanced durability and dust resistance. The Redmi Note 13 comes with a standard AMOLED display, offering a 120Hz refresh rate. However, its bezels are slightly wider than its predecessor, which affects the screen-to-body ratio. The Redmi Note 14, on the other hand, features a similar AMOLED display, but with narrower bezels, giving it a more premium appearance. Both screens deliver satisfactory brightness levels and decent outdoor visibility. The Redmi Note 14 slightly edges out the Redmi Note 13 in brightness, making it more comfortable to use in direct sunlight. Despite this, the display technology feels slightly outdated compared to competitors in the same price range, which now offer advancements like higher resolution and better color calibration. Performance. Both phones are powered by MediaTek processors, the Dimensity 6080 for the Redmi Note 13 and the Dimensity 7025 for the Redmi Note 14. These processors, combined with LPDDR4X RAM, make both devices perform nearly identically in everyday tasks like browsing, multitasking, and social media use. For gaming, both phones handle titles like Honor of Kings at 60 FPS without issues. However, the Redmi Note 14 has a slight advantage in performance stability, especially during extended gaming sessions. For graphically demanding games, both phones can manage medium frame rates, but fall short of delivering flagship-level performance. In benchmark tests, the Redmi Note 14 scores about 10% higher than the Redmi Note 13. However, this difference is barely noticeable during real-world usage. If top-tier performance is a priority, upgrading to flagship models with more powerful processors would be a better choice. Battery life and charging. The Redmi Note 13 has a slightly smaller battery, with a 110 mAh deficit compared to the Redmi Note 14. However, the actual battery life is nearly identical, lasting a full day under moderate usage that includes photography, gaming, and web browsing. When it comes to charging, the Redmi Note 13 takes approximately 69 minutes for a full charge, while the Redmi Note 14 charges faster at around 62 minutes. Both devices support fast charging, ensuring minimal downtime. Camera performance. Daylight photography. Both models perform well under bright conditions, delivering similar color reproduction and sharpness levels. Night photography. The Redmi Note 14 excels in low-light scenarios thanks to its optical image stabilization, OIS, which results in sharper and clearer shots. In contrast, the Redmi Note 13, lacking OIS, produces images with slight blurring in certain situations. A notable omission in both phones is the ultra-wide camera, a feature that was common in older models like the Redmi Note 9. While this might disappoint some users, the primary camera in both models compensates to some extent with decent overall performance. Both phones feature stereo speakers, a significant upgrade from the single speakers found in older models. The Redmi Note 14 offers slightly richer and louder sound quality, making it the better choice for media consumption. However, the Redmi Note 13's audio performance is still commendable for its price point. Both models run on Xiaomi's customized, ensuring a seamless user experience. However, there's a slight difference in the software. The Redmi Note 13 comes with a stripped-down version of MyUI, featuring fewer pre-installed apps. The Redmi Note 14 offers a more comprehensive set of features, making it a better choice for users who appreciate a feature-rich environment. Both phones receive regular software updates, ensuring they remain secure and up-to-date with the latest enhancements. Which model should you choose? The choice between the Redmi Note 13 and Redmi Note 14 ultimately depends on your priorities. Redmi Note 13. If you prefer a clean design, slightly more ergonomic grip, and don't mind compromising on speaker quality, this model offers excellent value. Redmi Note 14. If you prioritize better sound quality, improved display brightness, and superior low-light camera performance, this model is the better option. Neither phone is designed to compete with flagship models. If you're looking for ultra-narrow bezels, cutting-edge display technology, or high-end processors, these models may not meet your expectations. However, for their price range, both phones provide exceptional practicality and value. Final thoughts. This comparison highlights the strengths and weaknesses of the Redmi Note 13 and Redmi Note 14, offering clear insights into which model might be better suited to your needs. Whether you prioritize design, performance, battery life, or camera capabilities, this guide ensures you're equipped with all the information needed to make the right choice. In conclusion, while flagship phones often steal the limelight, standard models like the Redmi Note 13 and Redmi Note 14 cater to the everyday needs of a wide audience. By delivering reliable performance, decent displays, and competitive features at an affordable price, these devices remind us why mid-range smartphones continue to hold a significant share of the market. What do you think about the Redmi Note 13 and Redmi Note 14? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions, let us know. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. This is me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.
Let go of the past, I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack, restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need.